Hello guys, this will be a really quick update for the Aiomatic plugin. So now, based on your suggestions, we will be able to automatically process posts not only when they are published but also when they are drafted or set as pending. So this was a highly requested update for the Aiomatic plugin, and starting from today, automatically process posts when they are published, drafted or pending is available in the automatic content editing settings tab from the AI content editor menu. So this will allow you to draft articles, for example, and the AI will automatically edit them. And the nice part is, in the editing templates and options, you will find extra features and change post status after editing. You will be able to also automatically publish the posts which are edited using this feature. So go ahead, check the extra features, change post status after editing, set it to publish. And if you set this to draft, then if you create any draft posts from your WordPress site manually or any other using any other auto blogging plugins, if the posts are drafted, Aiomatic will go ahead and edit them, and afterwards it will publish them as this feature set. Okay, so this is all for this quick update. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. And this is all for today. I'm going back to work. Bye bye.